Good morning, student. As we are doing our chapter number first, that is central tendency arithmetic mean. We have already done the first method, that is in the case of direct series or individual series. They are having two methods, direct and assuming method, that we have already done. And now we will discuss to calculate arithmetic mean in the case of discrete series. So discrete series is also called frequency array, and it don't have class intervals. An item in the series does not assume any range of values, but each item has corresponding frequencies. So in discrete series, each item has given corresponding frequency. That is the assumption of the discrete series. How we can find out whether it is a discrete or not, because in discrete series there is not any class intervals are given. There is items and they are having their corresponding frequencies. So now there are three methods to calculate mean in discrete series. First one is direct method, second is assume mean method, and third method is step deviation method. So first of all, we will discuss about direct method. So direct method of calculating means of the discrete series have the following steps. First of all, the values of various items in the series are indicated and their frequencies by f. Then each item is multiplied by its frequency to get fx, and multiples are added to get sigma fx. That is, the number of frequencies, product of frequencies are there. When we do the aggregate of these fx, we will get sigma fx. Next is frequencies are to be added up to get sigma f, and then we have to put the values in the formula, that is x bar, that is mean, is equal to sigma fx over sigma f. Now there is an illustration or an example in which the weekly wages of earning of 19 workers are given. Wages is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and they have given their corresponding frequencies. 10, 4, 20 is having frequency 5, 30 has 3, 40, 2, 55. Now first of all, what we have to do, we have to give the number of workers is denoted with f, and according to formula, what we have to do, we have to sum up of, or we have to calculate aggregate of frequencies, that is sigma f. We have to total of these frequencies, that is 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to 19. And then we have to multiply wages with frequencies, that is wages is x and frequencies is f. We have to multiply, or we have to find out product of both of them. So first is 4 into 10 is 40, 5 into 20 is 100, then 30 into 3 is 90, 40 into 2 is 80, and 50 into 5 is 250. Hence fx is 560. Next, what we have to do is put the values in this formula. So mean is denoted by x bar. Sigma fx is 560 that we have calculated by the product of f and x, and sigma f is 19. So after dividing this, we have got our mean, that is 29.47. So the mean wage earning of 19 workers is 29.47. So this is our direct method to calculate assumed mean in case of discrete series.